Did you get married in Greece and now want to get a divorce, but you live abroad? With the new procedure of the mutual consent divorce, your marriage can be dissolved in less than 2 weeks in 6 easy steps. Step 1. Mutual will for the dissolution of the marriage. In order to proceed to the mutual consent divorce with a notary public, Greek law requires both spouses to agree upon the terms of the divorce. Without agreement, dissolution of the marriage can only occur through a court hearing and the issuance of the respective decision, which consumes a lot of time and inevitably wears one out. Step 2. Power of attorney before a notary public or the consulate. The procedure for the marriage dissolution with a mutual consent divorce requires 2 lawyers, one for each spouse. This procedure can be fulfilled by the spouse's lawyers in Greece without needing their physical presence. After they agree upon the terms of divorce, each spouse should sign the respective power of attorney to their lawyers' names, either before a notary public or the consulate at their place of residence. If a spouse lives in Greece, he or she can sign the necessary divorce documents in person and will not require the power of attorney authorizing the lawyer to act on his or her behalf. Step 3. Private agreement for the dissolution of marriage. Right after each lawyer receives each spouse's power of attorney, they will sign the dissolution of the marriage agreement on behalf of their clients. If the spouses had children during their marriage and those children are under 18 years of age at the time of divorce, the dissolution of marriage agreement must provide for their custody, maintenance, and communication with each parent. Step 4. Contractual agreement of marriage dissolution. 10 days after the signing of the marriage dissolution agreement takes place, the spouse's lawyers, given powers of attorney, will co-sign the contractual agreement of the marriage dissolution before the notary public. The contractual agreement before the notary contains the terms set forth in the private agreement of the marriage dissolution. Each party is entitled to a copy of the contractual agreement. Step 5. Spiritual dissolution of the marriage. If the wedding took place in a Christian Orthodox church, a copy of the contractual agreement of the marriage dissolution must be deposited with the governing religious authority. This is necessary so that denominational authorities will recognize any future remarriage of either spouse. Plus, the jurisdictional registry office will not accept the registration of the contractual agreement of the marriage dissolution if a copy of the marriage dissolution agreement is not filed with the religious authority. Step 6. Register to the jurisdictional registry office. For the marriage to be considered dissolved, the contractual agreement of the divorce, together with the document of the spiritual dissolution of the marriage by the religious authority, must be deposited to the jurisdictional registry office. Then finally, the registry office issues a new family status certificate that states the 2 former spouses are no longer married. If you wish to divorce with a mutual consent agreement, Rozou and Associates can facilitate the process and act on your behalf. Find more information on our website and receive a specialized offer for the dissolution of your marriage by filling out the form with your details. Remember, every ending is a new beginning. Thanks for watching.